Oh! Well, come on, my darlings. Grandma has missed you so much.
Boy, do we have an action-packed day ahead of us. First, we're going to go bird watching. Then we'll play some bird trivia.
Is it a penguin?
No, it's a cheep.
We'll make bird houses during bird craft time. And we'll end our day with a production of The Bird Away from Home.
And as the little bird made his way back home, he knew that he had quite a bit of explaining to do to Mama Bird.
I'll have to tweet about this. I'll have to tweet about this. I'll have to tweet. I'll have to tweet about this later.
Bravo!